Alright, so now we're gonna make our fried chicken flour. We're gonna add some flour to the bowl, and then we're gonna add some chicken seasoning. I got this chicken seasoning in Jamaica, it has lots of flavor. We're gonna add some paprika, this gives your chicken a nice color. And we're gonna add some baking powder, this makes your chicken nice and crispy. And last but not least, we're gonna add some black pepper. You just want to grab a spoon or a spatula and just mix this in so it combines together. Okay, you just want to set this aside. Okay, let's make our butter. I remember a lot of people was curious about the white stuff I pour on the chicken. So let's add some flour to the bowl, and then we're gonna add some baking powder, carbonated water, Okay, so this is my favorite part of frying chicken, is to massage the meat with all those herbs and spices, and just make sure you wash your chicken with lime. I love to cook with garlic oil, so I'm gonna add some to my chicken. Let's add some chicken seasoning. Black pepper, add some garlic powder, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of sea salt. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Yeah, make sure you flip them. Thank you for watching. Please like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace out.